Good morning. Welcome back to another video with collecting from A to Z. Here are the things that sold on eBay yesterday. First of all, we have this footed pink depression glass cake platter, cake server, sandwich server. That sold really well. Nice $20 range plus $10 of shipping on that. That was really good. I sold another automotive part here. I think this is a radiator sensor switch or something like that. This is original new old stock. And this actually I got from a auction at a school district, and I got them about a year ago, but they sat around in a box and I didn't list them until about 2 or 3 months ago. I had about 30 items in there, and I've sold over half of them in the last 3 months. And the funnest thing that sold overnight was this book. It's called A Pop-Up Book, Buck Rogers in the 25th Century. So here's a fun part about it. See, the story has these pop-ups inside, things that move and turn. Climb up the ladder. Battle in space. So that was pretty interesting. This actually had several watchers on it, 4 watchers for almost a year, and finally someone pulled the trigger and bought it. And I took a best offer that was a couple dollars under what I was offering. So those are the 3 items. We'll get these packed up and shipped first class. I think I'll send that first class, and then of course that is going to take some packaging and making sure it stays safe. I'll probably put it in the large 14 by 14 by 14 box, and then cut that box down to 14 by 14 by 6 or 8, just to make sure it gets there safely. And that's going to go either priority or smart post, most likely. Shipping is completed. The large box with the glass dish was going to Maine, which is quite a distance from where I'm at here in Texas. So I had to send that FedEx Smart Post to save $5 over regular priority mail or even parcel post. And so that's the shipping for today. Thanks for watching, and check us again on the next video. I've got another haul video to film in just a moment, what's in the trunk, and we'll find out what we discovered yesterday. Again, that's collecting from A to Z. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Subscribe, comment. Welcome all comments, suggestions, and anything else you have to say.